welcome again to Androidiya. We will talk about how to do SEO for your blog or for your WordPress website and rank in Google and have a lot of traffic. Plus, you will have good revenue in your AdSense. So, before wasting any time, let's dive in the main topic. So this is my WordPress site, urbicnotes.com, and this is my post, like ما هي أساليب التفكير. This is the first post, the third post, I'm sorry. So I'm going to click on it, and you have two ways to do SEO for your WordPress website. But before anything, you should to install YAOST SEO in your as a plugin in your website. So once you're done, go to your post, and you have two ways. The first way, just go to your dashboard, log in as an admin, then go to your post, and from here you can edit your posts and do the same way that I'm doing here in my post. Just I'm just clicked on it and edit question. Once I logged in my post and I want to do SEO, this video will be a little bit long, but you will have a lot of benefits, believe me. Okay, this is my post, and I wanna edit it as a YAOST SEO like this. Here I have to put my title. I have to have one title as title of the old post, and the title will be our focus key phrase or keyword, and this is the first thing you should to do. Other things we'll do it in here. So the second thing, you have to click on the second H2, the title number 2, and go to here. From here, heading 2. H2 means heading 2. This is the heading 2, and scroll down and find anywhere you have to put an image whenever you want. I'd like to have an image here. Sorry, I'd like to have an image here, so I'm gonna add image center, make it center, elegant center. The post is about ما هي أساليب التفكير, about thinking. So I'm going to grab a picture for my website. So you can take a picture from Unsplash or Pixabay or Pexels.com, and once you do that, free stock videos, free stock photos. I have to grab photos, upload a photo for my post. You have to upload a photo. If you don't like to upload a photo, you can take your logo and upload it. It's up to you. For those who want to add photos, you can take help of Pexels.com, free stock videos, Pexels.com or Pixabay or Unsplash. These websites will give you free photos, and you can use it in your WordPress website. In my case, I have in my media library photos. I just uploaded here. Before doing anything, guys, tiny PNG. It is a website will decrease the size, focus the size of the image, so it will not take a lot of time once your website for your viewers, once your website upload, so viewers can easily see your photos, your content, without taking a lot of block time. Tiny PNG, I will add it in the description, so you just go and grab it. I have to take a photo about thinking. Load more. This photo will be good. Alt text here, add the title that we take it for focus phrase or focus keyword phrase. Add it here, so Google will know what your photo about. So this is the photo, and I want to edit the photo settings. This is the photo. You can take any shape that you like to have in ما هي أساليب التفكير. This is the phrase or the name of the photo. Why is that important? So if you want to search about thinking in Google search, thinking, and you go to images, so Google will share your photos here because you add the meta description or the image setting alt text, so it will appear as a result in search engine because you added because you recognized the photo for Google. It is kind of SEO. So let's scroll down to ما هي أساليب التفكير. This is so important. Focus key phrase. The title should be the same here. I add it. Then this is how your site would look or would appear in search results or search engines as mobile result or desktop results. So here ما هي أساليب التفكير. This is my site, my post title. Then separator. This is my separator. You can change it by going to YAOST SEO and settings, and you can change your separator, put anything you'd like to. I'd like to have this separator, this kind of separator. Then urbicnotes.com. This is my site title or my domain name or my site. Then let's scroll down in the slug. The slug should be the same thing of the title and the post title, so we will add it again. Then in the meta descriptions, listen guys, the title is a focus, a key phrase or keyword. You should to repeat it in everything, everywhere, but not like spammy, something like you're doing some tricks. So you know what to do, guys. Now just make phrases, make sentences, and use your key phrase or keywords as between the lines. So here ماذا تعرف عن أساليب التفكير. I used أساليب التفكير again here and here. So again go use the phrase So I just again added the focus keyword, but I just changed a little bit. I just did a little bit changes, so my SEO, it is not spammy and kind of focused. So then scroll down, then SEO analytics or analysis. Here you should add outbound links. So outbound links, what's the meaning of this? You should to add focus keyword. You should to add links in your post which drives or leads your viewers to your another post. This is one of my posts, for example. Wait. This is my site arabicnotes.com, and I'm gonna open the site, scroll down to my post. This is my post, for example, and and the viewer is reading this post, so I should to add internal links, a link to that drives the viewer from this post to this post. Got it? So if he or she reading this post, he will automatically click in some of the words here, and he will drive here, end up here, and I have more benefits and more leads and bonus rate because I did good SEO. So I'm going to do this trick here. ماذا تعرف أسئلة بالتفكير لكل شخص بالفكرة العربية. Here I'd like to have internal links here. You can do a lot of internal links, guys, it's up to you. Here I can add internal links by clicking here, open in link in a new tab. You should to click here. Why? Because it will increase your bonus rate and you have a lot of money if you, in case if you did that. So I'm going to take the page viewer to another link. So this is the posts that I added in my site, so you can grab one of them, like قصص من القرآن سورة البقرة. I took this post and added as a link here. So this is one of internal link. I'm going to add another internal link like الأسلوب التركيب الأسلوب المثالي. This is a phrase or a sentence or a word. I'm going to add another link that drives the viewer or the page viewer to my another post, like any post that related to my topic or something will grab someone's attention. Then this is the internal links, outbound links. Let's update and refresh. Outbound links. Then we should to add another outbound links, external links. What the mean of external links? External links, this is internal links, some posts in my website that I drive people to it. External links is links that more than good from you. This is internal links, and external links, it's about posts are similar like your post, and you have to grab them or URLs and add it to your post. Why you're doing that? To make your SEO perfect. So my site is about ما هي أساليب التفكير, what are the ways of thinking, or how to do better or perfect thinking. I'm gonna grab أساليب التفكير. This is in the first page, and I'm gonna grab the URL of this page, and again I'm going to add it as external link here. For example, أسلوب التفكير. Here I'm going to add it as external link. Here click links, and I'm going to here add the URL. You can name the title. I'm not going to name it. And open. Don't choose anything from this. This is internal links, this is external links. Then add it. Now again go down, and this is the I solved outbound links. Then what should to do? Key phrase in introduction. You have to add key phrase in the meta description. Meta description, this is the meta description. I added. So again, put this, grab this, Control C and Control V. Let's see. And meta description length is kind of good. It's not red, green and orange. These SEO are good. Rather than that, the red one is totally mess. And key phrase in the introduction, I'm not gonna use it too many. It will looks like spammy kinda. So you can add it if you'd like to. Use use the title in the H2 or H3 that makes Google specify or identify what are you talking about in your post. I'm not going to so I added again أسلوب تفكيره kinda the key phrase here. And then again I solved key phrase. Now so here my YAOST SEO got green. So since it is green, update and you're done. This SEO will be awesome if you added H2 H3 key phrase in your H2 to H3. It will be more than good. And if you didn't, it's up to you. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to make my post spammy kinda. Like this. Let's see. And this three key phrase in the introduction, key phrase destiny, all those are important, but if you added a lot of keywords in your website, it will look like spammy, and it will be kind of boring for your viewers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. Thanks for watching.